Okay, this is a video about twisting bandsaw blades into a small circle that's tripled over. Sometimes it's a real challenge. I don't understand why it's such a challenge. I'll show you an example with this belt from a lawnmower first. That seems like it always is obliging. And then I'll probably fight with the half-inch bandsaw blade. If it works right, don't ask me why. I do not understand it. It has something to do with the way time warps through the universe. Simple. Perfection. Not so simple. Oh, and it works. Why? I do not know. Sometimes it works. Sometimes it doesn't. That's how it's supposed to work. Anyway. Let's not be an evil witch.